All right, what's up, good people? It's your boy, Big Whoop. It's official. I'm down here in Goldsboro, North Carolina, my hometown. You know, my city. This is what I do. Came down to holler at my folk, but also I had to stop by. This is Divine Elegance. So, this young lady says she has a chicken sandwich that is guaranteed to be official. So we gonna see what we got going on. Let me turn so you can, yeah. So here we go. Definitely thick and looking crispy. Fries looking good too. Let's see what they talking about. But I'm gonna give it a go to see what kind of flavor we got going on. Oh yeah. Oh man, y'all gotta look at this here. Look at this here. Y'all see this here? Y'all see it? So it gotta taste crispy, cause it look crispy. So we gonna see. Hold on, let me try to set my camera up here. Hold on. Give me a second. Here we go. Boom. Good gracious, I'm gonna get y'all the side view. Mmm. Let me tell you something. Popeye might be in trouble. She won't lie. This thing here, crispy, great flavor, meaty, still tender. Got what kind of sauce is this? What is this?
It's my special sauce.
Special sauce. I don't know what it's called. Special sauce. But she's definitely crispy and hold on. I don't know if y'all can hear it. That crunch where it's at. And if you don't know me by now, your boy like it crispy. I'm the crispy, crunchy guy. Got to have it. And this, look at this. Look how juicy it is in there. Y'all see that? Oh, man, God. Did not disappoint. Let me get one of these fried. These fries look good, too. I'm a fry guy. Yeah. Hold on. Let me go back in. Now, hold on now. I gotta let the folks know. How can they come get this chicken sandwich? I need them to come get it. I can't be the only one that says this goodness.
They can request to be added to my food page, which is Divine Elegance.
Okay. Go to Facebook and Instagram or just Facebook?
I'm on Instagram, but not as much.
Okay, Facebook. Divine Elegance.
And that's spelled
D-I-V-I-V-I-N-E.
Then
L-E-G-A-N-C-E. Look, y'all go to her page. I promise you, come get this chicken sandwich. It's official, hands down. And she delivers. Now, how far out do you deliver? Just Goldsboro or you?
Wayne County.
Wayne County?
I even go to Kinston.
Wayne County, Kinston. So
surrounding area.
The surrounding area. Y'all listening, if y'all watching, if y'all view this here, Jesus, you got to call him. This right here is official. I don't know. Let me tell you something. God, wow. Y'all gotta come get it. Ain't no question. Now, I keep it all the way 100, especially when it comes to food, y'all. When I tell you this is a great chicken sandwich, she told me it rivaled Popeyes. Popeyes need to watch out. Seriously. Good God.
Special lemonade.
Lemonade even banging. Jesus. Lord have mercy. Look, man. I'm going to sign off so I can go ahead and devour this right here because y'all don't need to see all that. But, look, y'all go check her out. Divine Elegance. Check out on Facebook. Definitely come get this chicken sandwich. Now, my man Patrick said she got some banging turkey. Was it turkey?
I can what, the chicken bars?
Turkey, the chili.
The chili. The turkey chili. Yeah. The turkey
He said that turkey chili like that. I'm going to try that next. Another day, another time. I'm going to catch y'all, man. Peace.